Hey guys, it's Kay, I hope you're all well. Now, if you haven't heard already, there's big changes coming to Netflix. Now, it's safe to say nobody likes changes, and especially when they seem negative at first glance. And you've probably heard a lot of people kicking up some fuss about Netflix beginning to show adverts. And at first glance, I would agree with what they're saying. But if you dig a little bit further into what Netflix is actually doing, you'll see there is a positive side to this. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks, so subscribe and hit the notification button. So previously, Netflix as a company has always kept marketing and adverts out of its platform. But of course they have had a rough year and there's been reports of a loss of subscribers and the company's share price has bombed. And recently they've been laying off more and more staff. And it seems to be really hitting the fan, as now the company's CEO has confirmed reports that they're going to be rolling out a cheaper advert supported tier of Netflix which is on its way soon. Now it does seem to be a bit of a U-turn by the management team, because a few months earlier they'd said that the options of adverts on their platform were not on the horizon. So it looks like the massive loss of subscribers and their plummeting share prices has got them thinking twice about this decision. So to be perfectly clear, the new plans include a low price subscription tier which will feature the ads. And adverts will not be added to regular subscribers who are already paying the higher price subscriptions. So guys, in the comments let me know what you think. Would you be happy paying a higher subscription fee for an ad-free experience on Netflix? Or if you're like me and you don't mind a few ads sprinkled into your viewing content and you get the benefit of a cheaper subscription fee. Now the official line from Netflix management team is that they believe that they've left out a lot of people from their platform who think the current pricing of Netflix is too high for them, and they believe this ad-based tier will be right up their alley, pricing wise, and they're happy to watch ads. Personally, I think if the price is right, I'd go for this system, because watching ads is basically a part of life now. And with the cost of living going up these days, who isn't into saving a bit of money? So currently we don't know exactly when these changes are going to take effect, but it looks like it's going to be at the end of 2022. Now the management at Netflix are pretty confident they can keep on growing, even though they've lost 200,000 subscribers and 70 billion's been wiped off the value of Netflix. Gosh, I wish I had their optimism, but I guess that's why they're in management. Now this idea of a lower price subscription with ads isn't a new one. Hulu, HBO Max, Paramount Plus and Peacock do it already, and Disney Plus is going to be bringing in this option this year too. And there's been a lot of discussion about why Netflix is doing it this way. And the gist of it is they couldn't stop bringing in ads into existing subscribers' streams without there being an uproar and possibly an exodus of another couple of 100,000 subscribers. Now we're still waiting to hear how much the subscription tier that's ad supported will cost, and my guess is it's going to be a substantial reduction in the subscription fee, because ad money brings in a shed load of money, so they can afford to cut prices. And the management team definitely want to bump up that subscriber count. Now the other thing we don't know is how often the ads will appear and how long the ads will be. So it looks like it's all still up in the air. But what you can definitely bet on is companies purchasing ads on Netflix, because Netflix with its 220 million subscribers, together with the data it holds on them, is irresistible to advertisers, as they can target individual ads to individual customers. But one thing's for sure guys, things at Netflix are definitely changing. And I think they probably need to, because Netflix needs to stop cancelling shows and laying off staff. And if they need to start adding these adverts to do this, then I'm all for it. Because in the end we're all looking for that premium viewing experience, and these things cost money. So guys, that's my take on the Netflix saga. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you happy to pay a bit extra for an ad-free experience on Netflix? Or are you like me, like I mentioned, and you don't mind a few ads here and there sprinkled in? Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give us a like, and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you all in the next one.